Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will explore some of the features of Google Vision AI. Google Vision AI is the feature of Google Cloud Services, and we will explore some of the features like computer vision and documentation AI in this Google Vision, and we will see how this works and how we can extract the data from documents and bills with the help of these Google services. So let's get started. Now let's search for Google Vision. Let's search for Google Vision AI, and this is the website where you need to go. So here we will get the different features related to extract insight from images, documents and videos. So with these features, these AI features, we can extract the details from images, documents and videos. So we can try it in console. So here we need to enable the API key of Cloud Vision API. So we need to enable it. So first we will learn how it works. So let's understand from the demo like how it works. So click on demo, and here we can try this by uploading the image or document. So I will just select the image. So this is the image, and it will show how it works and how it extract the data. What will be the details will going to be extract. So these are the details like landmarks. So this is detail about landmarks and labels. So it is showing numbers, document and screenshot. So the percentage is 82%, like 82% are the numbers in this image, and document is 59% and screenshot is 57%. So these are the details of labels, and in the text we can see the text of the document like milestone. This is the heading, and invoice number, invoice date, and these are the sections divided in different blocks. So we can see that these details, and every section is has separate box, or we can say that every section is divided into separate box, so we can identify which details are coming from where which section. So these are the details, and this is properties like aspect ratios and other details like colors and safe search. So these are the details it will extract if we when we upload the image or document. So this is a part of computer vision, how it works on files, and we can also see this JSON. So this is the JSON about the pixel details or boundary poly details like and confidence score also. So this is a part of computer vision. It uses OpenCV or libraries like so this is the part of computer vision. We can also check we can also upload new files here. So let me upload a new file here. So this is how it is showing graphic design, screenshot, fonts and logos. So this will show the details of the pictures, whatever pictures or image, whatever we upload, and then detect text in raw files and automatically summarize. So this is a part of generative AI. When we extract the details, we can use and apply generative AI after extracting the details from the document or AI. So this is a pipeline or flow we can understand. We need to understand the Vertex AI Workbench and Collaboratory. So we need to use these tools to make a complete pipeline about summarizing the document, whatever we are extracting from the image. So this is about cloud or pipeline setup. So building an image processing pipeline, this is how we can make a complete pipeline, a REST based pipeline. So like and we can apply cloud vision API and cloud storage. We can also use cloud storage of Google, and we can build this complete pipeline. And if you want to read more about this, then you can just go through this document. So this is the details and explanation about the pipeline which we can build. We can explore this, we can read this. So now we will understand document AI part. Document AI part. So documentation AI workbench is another part in Google Vision AI, and it is related to OCR tasks. So it supports multiple document like PDF or docs. So we have seen earlier that it how it extract the data from image, and now we will see document AI workbench how it works on OCR part. So just search for document AI workbench. So this is the website, and just click on this. So here we will get extraction from generative AI with the help of generative AI, and we can also fine tune the models of image extraction or data extraction. So, but you need to have a paid account for this. So, document AI workbench process the document or extract the details from generative AI with the help of generative AI. Let's click on demo. Here we just need to upload the PDF, and this much files it has support like PDF in all the images file. So let's upload the document here. So our details as extracted, and this is the fields like custom schema, bank statement, contact, payslip, and these are the details and key value pairs. And we can see the details in key value or proper structure, and tables also. Here are the tables. So it has understand the table part and extracted the data of table in a separate column, and then OCR. OCR is just all the details in one page or one section, like heading, invoice date, and numbers. So these are the details. So this is how it extract the data, and this is the how it's extract the data in well structured way. Let's upload the PDF to see whether it work on PDF or not. So just click on this reset button. So let's upload a PDF now. So let's select the PDF, and so this is the PDF I have, and let's upload this PDF. So this is the PDF, and it is a complex PDF. So let's see how it works on this PDF. So details are extracted, and now let's see the details. So this is the detail like, and here is the boxes where it extract the data, and this is how data is showing, and this is the tables. So yeah, this is how it extracting the data. So we can use Google Cloud Vision AI API. So it's not a free, but it requires billing account to use this API. Like we just need to create a project on Google Cloud Console, and you need to enable this API. So just go in I am an admin, and here you need to go on services and account. So I have already created a service account. So you just need to go here. If you don't have, then you can create a service account from here. Like you can create the service account from here. Like account name, you can name any account, like I have enter OCR new. Then you can just add a description. This is not a mandatory field, and let's create an account. You have to select a note here like editor, owner, or something. So let's done this. So we have created another service account, and you just need to go here. So here in the keys you will get the JSON. So you just need to create a key, and this will be in JSON format. So here is the details of these keys, like private key, client email, client ID, and URL. So this is the what we need to use when we are using Cloud Vision API, and this is the code where you upload that JSON, and here you can also upload the image file. So here we can create a billing account for using Vision AI API. So we can create our billing account here, and this account requires credit card details and billing details. So we need to mention here. And I have created this much projects. So this project has no billing account. We can enable the billing account from here. So this is how we can use Vision AI and Google Cloud documentation or OCR services. So these are the services. We can also build pipeline, and we have different features available related to OCR and data extraction from documents. And we can also use Gemini API. Gemini API is free, so we can use this for this task, but it has limited access. So we just need a few access of Gemini in free tier. So this is the idea about this video, guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.